Hello and welcome to your weather for the week ahead from the Met Office. Overall, this week looks drier than last week. Notice drier. It's not going to be completely dry. There will be some wet weather around, particularly through the middle of the week. But it won't be as showery and it won't feel quite as cold. Certainly the early part of the week, the winds are a lot lighter than they were. And a change in wind direction means that although the mornings are a little bit chilly, it should feel a little bit warmer this week as well. What's going on? Well, it's a bit of a mishmash. There's quite a bit going on out in the Atlantic, areas of low pressure and weather fronts trying to push in and develop. But the main feature, at least for the start of the week, a little bump in the isobars, a little ridge of high pressure. And most of us having a slightly chilly but fine start to Tuesday. Could be some mist and fog around. It's that time of year, but that should steadily clear. And then for many, Tuesday is dry and bright, with some sunshine around. And after that cold start, we'll see temperatures 15 to 17, maybe 18 Celsius. With lighter winds, a bit of sunshine, that should feel a bit warmer than it did for most of last week. Moving on through Tuesday night and into Wednesday, we will start to see a change. That ridge of high pressure doesn't last long. It topples down across France, and now we've got low pressure in control for Wednesday. But look at the isobars, follow them, pointing all the way down to the southwest, bringing up milder air. So Wednesday morning won't be as cold. And overall, across the eastern areas, it's another dry day. And we should even see a bit of sunshine. But elsewhere, with low pressure, that means cloud and outbreaks of rain. And there will be some wet conditions in the west through much of Wednesday. Temperatures, though, more widely 16 to 18 Celsius. Again, that's slightly milder feel. The wind's continuing to pick up a little bit on Wednesday night, and we've still got low pressure in control, but it's drifting to the north. This weather front, however, for Thursday, well, that could have quite a bit of oomph to it, could provide quite wet conditions for a time on Thursday. Some uncertainty at this stage exactly where it is, but bringing a band of rain in from the west, turning cooler but brighter behind it. And ahead of it, again, most of eastern England, it looks like having a drier day on Thursday with the winds coming in from the south. 19 or 20 is possible if we see some sunshine. But behind that band of rain, it's a cold front, so actually it does turn a little bit cooler once more. And then there's another weather front pushing in to the west on Friday, bringing some cloud and rain. Again, some uncertainty on the timing of that. But again, for most places ahead of it, it looks dry generally on Friday. And again, temperatures in the mid to high teens once more. So it's a bit of a mishmash through this week. Low pressure dominating, high pressure to start the week. And then as we look towards the weekend, well, things get even more complicated. There's another area of low pressure. Look at the size of this one, really quite intense potentially. This could have some tropical air mixed in with it, which gives it a bit more energy, but it also adds to the uncertainty. You can see it's trying to push in for the weekend, but actually not making much progress. So there's going to be some uncertainty over the weekend as that wet and windy weather tries to work its way in. The driest of the weather looks like being across the south and the east. But as I say, quite a bit of uncertainty. We'll keep you posted on that. You can always keep up to date yourself on the Met Office website. And there's always lots going on the Met Office YouTube channels.